Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel of Aspire True Designs. If you're new here, I'm sorry I look crazy, and if this is the first time you're meeting me, I don't always look like this, but this is a hair tutorial, but anyway, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a half up, half down style. For my birthday, I had my hair up in a ponytail. I took it down. I'm going to be using that hair again for the bottom part of my hair. For the upper part of my ponytail, I'm going to be having a clip on. I look crazy, okay? I look crazy, but let's stick to the point. So I was going to wash my hair, but when I started to take my hair down, my hair is still straight. Like, I'm not about to wash it and then have to straighten it again. So yeah, I'm not about to wash it, but I will put water in my hair, slick it back up, and mold it again for the front. The bottom, I'm just gonna put down, put the cap over it, put the got-to-be glue spray so it can stick. Take the I'm just gonna show y'all. Okay, it's gonna be a real quick, easy style, like quick. I'm gonna wash my hair, my weave, and condition my weave so that it can be fresh because I had it for like 2 weeks for my birthday. And then I'm going to install it. So let's get into this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into it. Y'all, I was so upset. Like, I'm still hurt because I had my birthday vlog up. Doing good on views. Watch time good. It's going up. I get on my YouTube studio. I see a video pending, but it's my birthday vlog pending. So I'm like, I don't need this no more. I have my birthday vlog up. Like, why is this one pending? It's two separate videos. So I deleted that one and it deleted my other one. My whole video is down. And on YouTube, once you delete a video, you can't put it back. Like, you can't put it back up. The views are gone. The watch time is gone. Like, you have to start fresh. And so that's irritating. But anyway, I just had to let that out because I was so hurt by that. And I still got my birthday balloons because I'm just real hurt. But anyway, let's get it back into this video.